If you're primarily a developer, you're going to welcome it with open arms because you don't have to worry about implementing all of the sort of crazy ideas that designers come up with sometimes. And he came up with a beautiful quote about, the differences between Flex and Flash, right? So Flex is like using molecules, right? You've got sort of these component sets and all this kind of stuff. And Flash is like using neutrons, electrons, and protons. It's pedal to the metal. You can do anything you want. It's a white canvas, complete artistic freedom. So at the core of Orchid, there's something called a widget. Okay, the widget is synonymous with a controller, user interface object, controller, and it's, as you can see, all it really needs is you need to just pass a reference to the skin class. And where does that come from? Well, that comes from the tool that you were using to draw the widget or whatever art piece that you want to do. So if you were using Flash, then you would export it as a SWIC file and just pass pass that on for designers, pass that on to the developers, and the developers just go. Here we are. That you bring in and flips and little things like that. That stuff you don't have to write twice. That's you just write it on the desktop, and you can really run it on mobile. It runs great. Really runs great. And a lot of that is really handling the timer events and things of that nature. You're just dealing with graphics using all of the new stuff that's in Flash Player 10. Like for example, all the dynamic drawing is all using the drawing cast. Right? It's all using the new like high performance vector drawing pass. So you get a huge amount of performance boost with that if you're doing like dynamic skinning and things like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I was wondering about dynamic instantiation of these components and their awareness of this pseudo DOM. Is there something that